Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Let's take a look. Just a quick updates for OKB, OKX USDT trading pair with my customer request set. So, like you remember, this pump was because OKX just decided it's so simple, right? To reduce 50% of supply, and now we get like 21 million of supply. So pretty good one. It's easy way how to pump the token. Nice one. Is it possible so the target over than 600 still relevant? So that time I posted the video, it was around August 25. So yes, more than real. For example, the Binance token BNB over than 1,000. So was over than 1,000. So I'm more than sure with 21 million supply now, OKB can reach even over than 1,000 per token. So it's more than real, just matter of time when. And OKX, I never heard about, maybe I missed some news, but I never heard about some fraud about OKX exchange. I never heard some hacks around, some scam or something. Just like neutral exchange. Maybe I missed some news, right? So anyway, I posted the video and I mark it. We trade way over exit line. So it was so bearish signal. You know, it's a weekly time frame like 1, 2 candles up, and I mark we trade way over exit line. So it's just a matter of time when we'll come back and test the buy line. Buy line at this current moment is 49.53. I have no idea and zero plans to buy the OKX token. So even if it's like $40 and the token will skyrocket to the 1K, I don't have a plan to buy the exchanges token. Time to buy the OKB was here in 19, 20, and maybe it's a correction in June somewhere too at the buy line or fundamental value at $10. But of course, if you're a fan of exchanges token, you can even buy here at $49. So just mark that price and wait. Sometimes, guys, better skip all of that noise around, right? And just wait the target. But the lines are dynamic, you have to know. So it's just a matter of time when we'll retest the buy line, but where till that time will be the buy line. Maybe it's $50, maybe it's, I don't know, at $100, who knows. That time you can buy it. And you can add just alert and track it. So at this current moment, guys, we retested the middle line, the middle range, like between the buy line and the fundamental value. So the test of the buy line again at 69.76. Take profit line, it's 138.58. So once again, like conclusion, guys, everything is so simple. Don't need to build some so complicated analysis, you know, with a lot of metrics and all of this stuff, you know. Just buy on the weekly time frame around the buy line on the weekly time frame for investment for the spot, and the trade intraday, for example, with daily time frame, 12 time frame, 4 time frame, it's just for intraday. But what I noticed, it's so simple just to track the buy line on the weekly. And even if you couldn't even imagine, so this token one day will test that line. I sold a million times now examples, millions alerts here. What do we get? Buy line link. Who could imagine so the buy link will drop to the buy line? Buy line on XPL. So a lot of buy line near protocol. So a lot of buy line asset, just matter of time when. And sometimes even I want to believe we can drop that low, bam, we dump it. So the buy line on OKB token now it's 49.94. So add alert to the buy line, not on a price, because here, for example, the buy line in August on 5 was like 32. Now it's almost 50. So just track it. Let's check on the monthly. On a monthly, the negative, guys, scenario, we can retest above the exit line, 48.60. I hope not. I hope we'll rebound and at least test 163. It's a monthly gap. So this one. Daily, 138. It's a take profit line on the daily. So just also add alerts for take profits. So it's not always bearish. ADZ, I can show it because it's a global ticker, not from some exchange. Highly recommend you use the dashboard. It's all in one place. You know, so some small dashboard on the screen like this one, so we can adjust the time frames for different indicators and track it. Here's some money in, not like money in. It's just accumulation based on direction data indicator. So daily it's accumulation. Weekly is still no accumulation. time to sell and fix some profit was here. After that, we trade just in the range, and then they announcement about that, oh, we reduced the supply. Nice one. So no signal for accumulation. Last signal for accumulation was here in June somewhere too. Now nothing. So we can't, of course we can, but no makes sense to buy just when the price in the air. Here, it was euphoria. This is a positive, some hopium on the market. Now it's disbelief. So around this belief, around capitulation on a weekly, it will be the good entry for the spot position. Money power. Yeah, some money in last 2 weeks into OKB token. Last time it's happened here in June somewhere before. So that's the beauty of money power, for example, indicator and all indicators in the complex, what I use this custom indicator set, because you can check the behavior of the tokens on a history. It doesn't mean it have to all the time repeat itself, all of that signals. No, but it's showing us the market maker behavior behind this token. So last time here, accumulation pump. On the chart, it looks like not a big deal, but approximately from the May somewhere to we pump it 400% to the money outflow. All right, this was a money in around this low, and we dump it even lower to the money outflow 68%. After that, they reduced supply 541. Now the same story. Do we have some money inflow on the monthly? No. Money inflow was last one in August 24. Now nothing. So up to your own risk, guys. I'm better, of course, wait to the 49. It sounds weird, and I hope it will not happen because it's almost 50% drop from now. But it's possible. It's possible, guys. Trade on. Sell. Take profit, buy, recommendation, close position, recommendation, close position, recommendation, close position, new signal to buy. Nice one. But it's a daily, weekly, still no signal take profit, guys. So let's add alert to take profit signal. I just show you the updates because, the first video, you can go and double check on the channel. So this is it, what I would like to show you about OKB. Like conclusion, guys, I hope we'll hold the line here and rebound, at least start build or new all-time high, like 3 drives pattern. For example, like it can be like 1, 2, and 3. So we can end the cycle for the OKB token at 400, 500, right? We can't know where the price will stop after the new all-time high. Or it can be just rebound to, for example, 200, 135, 150, close the monthly gap. This one fulfill, for example, 165, and crash it down to grab all of this liquidity. So this is it. That's why, guys, personally for me, if you believe in exchanges token, you can accumulate. I'm not just a fan of exchanges token, but people who invested on early stage in BNB, I guess, are they happy, more than happy. So 1,000, for example, from now, so if the OKB repeat the success of BNB token, it's 1,227% gains from now for the long run. With that small circular supply, it's more than real to see. So guys, I hope you liked this video. Write us in a comment what you think about OKB. If you like to trade with my customer site and add the same alerts like I did in this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.